Why do 70% of people think hot yoga is only for the brave and the bendy? Let's find out if that's true. Yoga. It's not just for flexible folks who can twist like pretzels. It's about balance, breath, and tuning in with your body. Now add some heat and you've got hot yoga. Imagine doing your favorite yoga poses in a sauna. Sounds intense, right? But here's the cool part, hot part. The high temperature helps loosen up your muscles, making it easier to stretch and reduce the risk of injury. You'll sweat more, which can help detoxify your body. Plus, it ramps up your heart rate, giving you a killer cardio workout. So why should you try hot yoga? Besides the obvious bragging rights, it can improve your flexibility, strength, and mental focus. And let's be real, who doesn't want to feel like a warrior as they flow through poses, dripping in determination? Got questions or hot takes on hot yoga? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Namaste, fitness warriors.